Good morning. Humaira.
Good morning.
Good morning, Khadija. Good morning, everyone. Hi, Huda. Hi, Izan. Hello, Abdul. Turn on the camera, please.
Each one of you, okay? First, please go through the question, read it, give it to the night.
All right. Good morning, beta. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Are we all ready? Okay. All right. Huda, what happened? Izan's mama.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm just sharing my number here. You just text me after the class. I will send English written question.
Okay. एक मिनट मैम.
I didn't get you, beta.
I will send you the question. What you can do, you can just record when he is writing the answer and you can send it to me.
Afan and mute.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
Yes, yes, yes.
All right. Ready, everyone? Ready? Okay, I'll start with Humaira. Humaira, you have to sing ABCD song. Come on.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and T. Know I, A, B, C. Next I want you sing with me.
Oh, amazing. Clap for Humaira, everyone. Good job. Okay, Khadija, I have a network issue. Clap for yourself, Humaira. You can also clap. All right. Izan, your turn. Sing the song.
A, B, C, D.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V,
U and V.
U, N, V, W, X, Y, and Z. No, Y, A, B, C. Next time, this is with me.
But you have to do the action also, no? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Can we do it again? Come on.
Say again. Again with
A,
action.
B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, W,
W, X, Y,
I, N, Z.
W, X, Y, and Z. No, Y, A, B, C. Next time, when you sing with me.
Sing with me. Very good. I like that reaction though. Very nice. Good job. Clap for Izan, everyone. All right. Who will go next? Nora? Yes? Come on, sing the song.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I want this A, B, C. Next time go to sing with me.
Good job. Clap for Nora, everyone. Okay, Khadija. M. Khadija.
Khadija.
Song.
she audible?
Oh, network problem.
Yeah.
Ma'am, my face is colored. Ma'am.
Wait, karo.
It's okay. Khadija's mom, what you can do, you can you can record and send it to me. Yeah, we can do
Okay,
that.
ma'am. Sure.
All right. Abdul, can you please sing ABCD song?
Okay.
Action with action.
Do.
A, B, C, D. Like that.
Okay.
Ah, yeah. Go for it.
Like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, Q, R, S, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Oh, wow. What a smile, Abdul. Good job. Everyone clap for Abdul. Amazing. Yes, Huda. Please sing ABCD song.
जल्दी से बोलो
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. मैं तो गया
अटको
With action. With action.
हाँ जल्दी 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 फास्ट आपको आता है भी वापस कर बोलो चलो
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, B,
H H I
K,
बोलो
I,
L
L,
N
M,
Q,
N
R,
O
S.
N,
Q R S
T,
T U V
W,
W X
Y,
Y and
Z.
now I
A, B, C, D.
next time won't you
Sing
sing
with
with
me. Like this,
me?
sing with me.
हाँ
Very good, very good. Well done. Everyone clap for Huda. Yes,
Huda
Khadija,
didn't.
sing. Hi. Sing the song. ABC
Yes.
song.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, B, C, D, U, W, X, Y, Z. Now I sing.
No, my.
No, my A, B, C.
I'm going to.
Next time, going to sing with me.
Very good. Well done, everyone. This is for everybody. A beautiful heart. Good job. Good job. I'm super impressed. Welcome. Okay. Khadija, can you sing now? M. Khadija?
Start singing ABCD बोला बोलते.
Singing.
A, B, C, D, E, Mama hand kiss.
Isa. Already net is not over. Girl, start girl.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my name is Jane. That's why I like to sing with me.
Okay. Amazing. Good job. Good job. Well done. Okay, Izan. You want ice cream? All right. I'm going to give you ice cream. Ta-da! All right. Izan. Hi, unmute yourself. Can you hear me, Azan?
Ma'am,
Yes, Khadija?
मेरे को भी आइसक्रीम चाहिए.
You want ice cream?
सबके लिए. This is for everyone. Ice cream, donut. I'm going to give you so many things. Okay, don't worry about it. Okay, Humaira, tell me what is J for?
J for
Yes.
jam.
One more thing. Huh? Very good. Now tell me what is L for?
L for lollipop.
Mm-hmm.
L for
L. Yeah, lollipop. Can you tell me one more thing with letter L?
L. Lion.
Lion. Very good. Now what is the sound of letter L? Oh, very good. Give me high five, Humaira. I'm super proud. Well done. Thank you. Okay, this is for you. All right. Abdul, unmute yourself. Tell me what is B for? Okay, this is the sound. What is B for? Abdul, I'm not able to adjust your camera to see you. Yes. Very good. What is C for?
Cat.
Cat. What is the sound of letter C?
Ka.
Ka. Good job. Very good. Give me high five. Give me a high five. Hello, Toy. And this is for you. All right. Yes, Khadija Sheikh. Now you will tell me what is G for.
G for
G.
girl.
And anything else? Any fruit with letter G?
Grape.
What Khadija likes?
And what is the sound of letter G?
Gaga.
G, G. And what is K for?
Kite.
Kite. Very good. Good job. High five. Toing. Yes, this is for you. Hi, Huda. Huda, you tell me what is C for? Huda, what is C for, beta?
टी फॉर क्या आता है जल्दी बताओ.
Tap. T for tap. T for Tylosol.
Okay, and what is C for? Letter C.
Xylophone.
Letter C for.
सी फॉर क्या आता है जल्दी बताओ.
C for.
व्हाट इज सी फॉर क्या आता है जल्दी बताओ.
Cat.
एंड
What is the sound of letter C?
सी फॉर
D for dog.
सी फॉर
D for dog आता है.
डी फॉर डॉग आता है. सी फॉर
C for.
Cat.
कैट. अच्छा साउंड क्या है सी का.
What is the sound? K.
सी का साउंड क्या है.
Cat.
हम्म.
कार भी को मिला के क्या बिल्कुल.
चलो वो मैम क्या देखती है. हाई फाई दे रही है मैम.
मम्मा.
हाई फाई दे रही है मैम.
मम्मा. मम्मा.
Oh God. Okay, I'm Khadija. Yes, beta.
समझ में आता है क्या, सुना आता है क्या?
What is K for? Letter K.
K for.
Kite.
Two objects.
And
K
one more.
for-
One more. K
K
for.
for
K for. What is the name? Tell me your name. What is your name? K for.
Cat.
Cover.
Cat baby is
Huh?
cat baby.
Kitten.
Oh, say loudly.
Kitten.
Kitten. Very good. And what is M for? M. M.
M for
Monkey.
What is the sound of letter M?
M. M says
Huh?
M says phonic sound pusta. M says
Huh? Yum.
Huh?
M says bolo. You know, Khatija.
Sound.
Mom
sound.
and the animal.
Yes.
Mm.
Mom and the animal. What a hungry children.
Very good. Well done. High five. Toing, toing. Okay. Who is left? Nora. Yes, beta. Nora, what is letter E for? E for.
Elephant.
And letter F for?
Dog.
F.
Fish.
And what is the sound of letter F? Sound. What? Okay, very good. Good job. Well done. High five. Joining. This is for you. Okay, everyone is done, right? Nora done, Humaira done, Abdul done, Khadija is done. Okay.
Not done.
All right. Everyone is done.
Ma'am is done.
Is that?
Yes.
What is N for?
F for fish.
N. Letter N. No.
And for. And for next.
Yes, very good. And what is letter D for?
D for
D for?
Dog.
Dog. What is the sound of letter D?
The.
Well done. Good job. High five. Oh my God. Very good, everyone. Clap for you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You have done amazing job, everybody. I'm super impressed. I'm going to give you a donut, a chocolate, an ice cream, and what else? And a cake. Very good. Good job. All right, then I'll see you tomorrow. Look at the smile.
Ma'am,
Yes, Khadija?
my favorite is unicorn.
Your favorite is unicorn. Oh, wait. Let me find unicorn. Can I get a unicorn here? Oh, no, I cannot find unicorn here. I can be a unicorn for you. Toing. All right. Bye-bye.
Ice cream, ma'am, I love.
You want ice cream? A rainbow ice cream?